LITM, stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Snow Lake resource stock sitting at 75 cents, and generally speaking, about 15% up. I'm intrigued by this because, like, way before that, you know, this is how it looked like. In context, I've done 35,000 videos over the last 4 years and spent thousands on courses, mentors, documented everything, all that. With LITM, I was like not gonna short unless I saw the full candle close beneath the lows. There is a reason why this looks like this, and this is red from the prediction, because the rules must happen in order for me to continue, and I was actually proven otherwise. So my idea was wrong, but no trades got taken because the rules were never met. Absolutely perfect. In this bullish range, I'm not immediately sold out on the longs. I know like it's 14% up but and whatnot, but this is actually going to follow my Wyckoff accumulation rule the moment it actually breaks with a full candle close above 107. That's it. I mean, unless the price starts to break this high, then I'm just not going to get involved in this ticker symbol. It obviously depends whatever we break first, either the lows or the highs. If we break the lows first, then this is going to be diluted. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.